Alright, time to take a look at the soldering iron kit. So here is the soldering iron. We can see it comes with a tip and it comes with 5 extra tips. So we got a couple of chisel tips, we got a soaking tip, we got a couple of pointed tips, and it comes with a standard pointed tip. But we also see that we got some extra functionality, so we can actually turn it on and off without having to unplug it. We can adjust the temperature right here, and then we got an LED indicator right there. It is a standard 2-prong plug. It also comes with some solder, and it says this is 0.6 millimeter. This is kind of interesting. This is flux. I've never seen flux come in a little box like this, but it does come with flux. And flux, like if you're not used to using flux, flux is a very important thing, so I'm glad they included that. And then the last thing is our stand, and this does actually have a soaking sponge on it. So if you need a spot to rest the soldering iron, you actually got that covered. So that's cool. So right now that is set to 250. I'm going to set that to, let's see, 325. Yeah, so right now we're at 325, and I'll turn it on. While it's heating up, we can go ahead and soak up our sponge. Okay, and let's add some solder. So far so good. I'm just trying to get that thing fully soaked and properly tinned so we don't have to worry about having any problems with it. And it does take it just a minute or two to heat up, so it's not going to be something that's going to be super quick, so you do kind of want to prepare properly. Okay. I think we got this thing pretty well tinned. So, got some wire here put together. And I'm going to add some flux to it. Very interesting flux. I've never seen anything quite like this. It's kind of hard, but that's okay. We can still work with that. So right now I'm just going to heat up that wire. Add some solder to get a good connection. And then just fill it up. So now we can shut that guy off. And we are connected. So for something that's nice and portable like this, where I can take the whole pack and I can take it right out to the work site, I don't have that extra box or anything in the way that's like kind of like an old school iron, but something you can actually control the temperature on. I actually really like that. The only thing I would change is I think I would change the flux, just because this is pretty hard stuff and I would rather have something that I can actually manipulate. But other than that, everything on here is pretty darn good. I'm very happy with that kit.